Woo! Excuse me. Excuse me. Before you start asking for things, I got something I need to say. No, 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 no. I'm going to speak my piece before you start all of that talking. First, I don't consent to any searches under no circumstances, and I don't consent to being unsecure from my person, papers, effects, and property. Okay, go ahead. Oh no, no, I was reserving, some rights, so I had to put you on notice, and that was my putting you on notice. What you need? What you pulled me over for what? Broken tail light? Really? My tail light's broken? Oh man, I didn't know. Okay, give me my warning. Go ahead, you can give me a verbal warning or you can write it up. You need a driver's license? No, you don't. Oh, you need me to identify myself? Yeah, here's my work ID. You need a state? No, the state doesn't issue a DMV. DMV is not part of the state. That's a private. No, don't want to argue with you. DMV is not part of the state. Go and look it up. They got their own EIN number. Here, there's the EIN number. Go look it up on Dun and Bradstreet. Oh no, I got the Dun and Bradstreet report. Here you go. They're a corporation. Yeah, they're not part of the state. So yeah, the government doesn't issue IDs. Okay. Oh, no. The law only requires me to identify myself. It doesn't require me to show you a driver's license. You didn't pull me over for not having a driver's license. You pulled me over because of broken tail light. You already said it. I'm recording you. Yeah, so that's the end of your investigation. You don't get to do anything further because I didn't consent to a search and I don't want to participate in your investigation. So give me my warning. Now, if you insist on persisting, I'm going to tell you to shut up. I'm reserving my right to speak to an attorney and go get your sergeant. No more interrogation. Go get your sergeant. I'm not answering any more questions. That's an interrogation. You're going to interrogate me? I told you I want to speak to an attorney and your supervisor. Okay. What? No, I ain't got nothing else to say to you. Go get supervisor. I don't care. I called for a supervisor. You are violating my rights. And I'm calling for a supervisor, and you, by your own policy, must give me that supervisor. Don't tell me no. Like I said, I'm recording this, and don't you dare touch any of my property, because at that point, you have no justification, no just cause. You only pulled me over, according to you, because of a broken taillight. You have no other suspicion because you don't have me accused of committing a crime. So do me a favor, shut up, and go get me that warning ticket, and I'll be on my way. That's right. You're going to use that ID. Birthday? Oh, I'll give you a birthday. Yeah. I was born in December. What day? Oh, no. I just got to give you a birthday. Okay? Yeah. Conception. Yeah. I ain't going to tell you how long she carried me, but I can tell you the date of conception because her and my daddy, they celebrate that day. Woo, they said it was the greatest day of their life. Oh, yeah, that was January 2nd. What year? Oh, let's see. How old is Mama? How old was Daddy when they had that? Oh, yeah, 1972. That's right. I was conceived in 1972. I wasn't born I was conceived. 9 months. Oh, that's normal, but I'm not normal. I'm not your average Joe. So I don't have to be 9 months in gestation. It is conception. Yeah, that's that's our religious practice. You can't interfere with that. That's how we practice our religion. Being difficult. Yeah, you sure are being difficult. I have no idea why you're doing all of this. So go ahead and give me my warning. A warning is not no cause for you to sit up here and act stupid. It's a warning. You don't need to do no background checking and all. See, that's a search. I'm not letting you search my information. Don't you understand? I said I'm not participating in your investigation. All right, now shut up and give me my papers so I can be on my way. You only got 15 minutes and I done cooperated. I gave you everything you asked for. Oh, I ain't got to give you a driver's license. Registration? Oh, license plate. Go look at it. See, it's got that on the tags. That's what that's for. That's your prima facie evidence that this vehicle, my automobile, is registered. Oh, no, I'm not going to argue with you about nothing. Yeah, you got your justification. You want to be doing some searching. You already ran the plates, so you ain't got to ask for that insurance. Oh, no, I ain't got to have insurance. And no, insurance is only for when you are in an accident. State can't hold me liable for something that ain't happened, but I got insurance, all right? Yeah. Oh, this is a company vehicle. Yeah, they got insurance. Oh, you want to see it? Okay, see this paper right here? That's called a bond. Yeah, got several of those. Oh, yeah, that's a company. They're bonded, so they covered. I got to have what? No, the law only requires I cover liability, but we got more than liability. Yeah, I got $75,000 in my back pocket worth of bonds. Uh-huh. What? Why are you getting upset? Why are you crying? What? You thought I was going to... Nah, man, I ain't doing all that other stuff that you wanted me to do. I'm not volunteering nothing. Yeah, I put you on notice when you first got here. Told you what I wasn't going to do and what I was securing. Okay, I have the right to be secure in my person, and you already identified. Right after I told you all that I didn't do nothing wrong, you just got an infraction against some code that I'm going to be challenging anyway. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. That code don't mean nothing. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, no, we ain't going to play that game. I know you want to play, but I don't feel like playing that game. Uh-huh. Where's that supervisor? You know you only got 15 minutes from the time this stopped. No, I haven't interfered with nothing. I gave you everything you wanted. Yep, sure did. 15 minutes. Oh, no, the clock has been running. I told you I'm recording. We're now at 13 minutes. Yeah. Sorry, you got something else you want to say? You want to question me some more while I ask to speak to my attorney? I'm not under arrest. Oh, no, I have the right to counsel whether I'm under arrest or not. No, this ain't a Sixth Amendment right. This is a right. This is an unenumerated right. Yeah, Ninth Amendment is unenumerated. I had a right to counsel because you are a official representative of an organization, and you're trying to question me for criminal activity. You want to do a criminal investigation. Yeah, there's no such thing as an infraction investigation. You can only do a criminal investigation, you stupid mother. Okay, so since you're doing a criminal investigation, that means you stopped me for criminal reasons, but you identified only an infraction, which means you are a liar. And I don't trust you. That's right. You better go read your own rule book. No, been doing this for too long, homie. Yeah, criminal investigation. That's the only type of investigation you get to do. That's your only official duty. There's no such thing as a routine investigation. You can only do criminal investigations. There's no such thing as a civil investigation. You stupid mother. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about, and you know I know what I'm talking about. That's why you ain't trying to get this door open. Oh, and oh, no, see them windows? Them windows are for my protection. That's to protect me from the outside. When I have them up, I don't have them up so you can look in my automobile. That's a search. That's an unreasonable search because I told you I didn't consent to any searches. You looking in my vehicle and trying to sniff and smell if I've been smoking something. You must be smoking something doing all this stuff. Oh, look at that 15. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, go ahead and get that sergeant so we can talk about writing you up. Yeah, I know. All right, you shut up and get on out of here. All right, see you later, officer. Oh, I know I'm going to see you again. But yeah, same thing going to happen the next time.